Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 16 of marching through my minis. I have my super cute little setup. You do not need this setup to save money. I just like to make it more fun for me. And yeah, so I might go a little overboard sometimes, but I have $8 that I'm bringing every day in March. I'm using these super cute dashboards and prop coins from Budgeting with a Ginger, Brittany, and I have my $8 in prop coins to match my $8 in cash that I'm bringing. And do a little mix up of the cards. I'm going to put my $8 in the bank. And yeah, we had a great finish yesterday. I think we had four or five challenges finished yesterday. So I'm not expecting to finish any today, but we are going to have fun making our way towards our next finish. So I'm going to roll a D3 die, whatever number it is. I'm going to put that many prop coins down, and we're just going to keep going until we're out of prop coins. So 1 for number 4. How are you today? How's everything going? 2 for 5. 3 for number 6. I've had a productive weekend, which I love. Coco says hello. Go to number 1. 1 is getting 3. 2 is getting 2. I would love 3 to get 3. Nope, 3 is getting 1. 4 is getting another 1. 5 is getting 1. 6 is getting 2. 7 got 2. 8 got 2. All right, let's go back to 1. I have 3 left. So 1 is going to get 2, and 2 will get 1, and we'll start on number 3. Oof, that was a mouthful. Okay. Let's see how far we can make towards finishing some, maybe later in the week. Okay, so 1 got 25, 50, $1.25. Oh, okay, so we're finishing one now. Just needed 75 cents. And this one will save us $3 from the Humble Budgeter. And let's color these circles in. Yep, so that's there. So we have 50 cents we can put towards a new one. Let's grab from the middle. It's a happy day. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. I marked out the last 3 because I wanted it to be an even number, which I didn't write down. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this will save us $3. And we can mark off 2. A little flower. So cute. So that will be in number 1. I can't believe we finished one right off the bat. All right, number 2 got $1. Nice. Oh, and we're finishing this one too. We just needed 75 cents from, I believe, Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. So 25, 50, and 75. So this saved us $6. So we have $20. I wish. That'd be awesome. We have 25 cents. We can put in a new one. This is from Lifted Up and Living. This is from Tara. I added a box so we can make it $2. So I'm going to fill that one in first. So we have 25 cents in that one. Look how cute that bird is. Okay. And then number 3 got 25 cents. It needed 75 to finish, but that's all right. We can just do one more pineapple. And this adorable one comes from Hey K Budgets. And the pizza is saying no. The pineapple says, I love you. I love pineapple on pizza, but why did I do that? It's not done. It belongs in here. Okay, so then number 4 is 50 cents. And this one is from Jamie R. Budgets. So let's mark off 2. So no matter what it says on the icon, everything is 25 cents. Okay, number 5. Number 5 got $1. Nice. This one's from the Dramatic Panda, #squad goals. I love this one so much. All right, so let's do 4 more lightning bolts. That is so cute. All right, number 6. So we got 50. So that's $1.50 for number 6. And this one is from the Cash and Coin crew. I wrote Ko-fi, so I must have gotten it on their Ko-fi. And let's do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yep, that will save us $3. I keep trying to put everything in the tray over there. I'm making great progress. All right, number 7. So number 7 got 50. So I got $1.50 for number 7. This one is from the traditional dollar. So let's see. I feel bad crossing off the super cute little lady. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 50. I just did smiley faces because I felt bad crossing her off. Okay, so $1.50 going into this one. This one will save us $4. And I hope TTD is doing well. That's what I like to call her, TTD. All right, so we have, it looks like $1 going into number 8. Oh, here's a super cute one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This will save us $2, so we are halfway there. We can do 25, 50, 75, $1. Look at me not crossing off the lady, but I have no problem crossing off that cute little bear. I don't know. I don't know. No explanation on that because that face is super cute. All right, so let's see what we finished. Let's go back up to our Too Cute to Pinch. Drop that in there. And we finished 2 of them. So we have 6 and 3. So we have $9 that we can grab out of the bank. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stick that in there and then go back to our completed. So I put all of our completed challenges. The money from that goes in here. And I just shove it in. I'll count it at the end of the month and do a randomizer with it. And then we have 2 more that we can put in our little envelope of completed challenges. Oh my gosh, this was a really good week of completing savings challenges. I'm super happy with that. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great weekend. And until next time, take care. Bye.